Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Zombiemasher. Today I'm filming some more survival series. So yeah, let's go. Through the door of the past, entering the door of the future. Climbs up the ladder of harmony. I don't know. Changes his render distance because it's too low to see what he's looking at. Looks out. Sees rendering chunks. Oh yeah. Looks for what he was looking for. Remembers it was over in that distance. Jumps. Fails miserably. Heads off into the future. Here we go. Dun dun. Da 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 da. Penis. Da 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 da. Creeper. You're a penis bomb. Looks at this hole, not the right hole. Turns around, sees the creeper. Hopefully isn't looking at him. And now I think this is the big ass deep hole that goes into the future. Yes it is. Okay. So basically guys, I was looking to get back home after I went to kill some stuff. This is where I just mined out a bit of quick iron ore that I just saw there before I started filming. I enchanted my pick. I think I had that on film. I just forget, kind of. So it's in efficiency 2, just in case I didn't, but I'm pretty sure I did. I'm just hoping there's no mobs just drop in here and freaking explode and piss me off. And why is my health dropping? That's not a good sign. I guess it's because I jumped off, but I always thought my hunger was full. Okay, grab some of this coal. I'm kind of needing coal. And iron behind the coal, that's not bad. Hopefully, I'm hoping there's some diamonds at the bottom of this. I can grab the coal after, because that was 22 coal, so I'll probably end up with about a 64. Okay, so time to make a little staircase down. Shit, I need some cobblestone. Okay, go down here. Want to be safe, so make sure this is proper. Here we go. Okay, that's steep enough to make a little staircase on. Here we go. Okay, come down here, build that out, dig in here, here we go.
Yeah?
Sorry about that interruption, that was just my friend. 1 sec, I'm just gonna close the door. Okay, there we go. Get down here. I think I could just do a little path into the water. That'll be kind of slow for getting back up, but it works. Now, do I have a bucket on me? No, I don't. I have a ton of freaking chicken, and I have 31 uncooked beef. I don't want that spider to come and just shove me into the lava. That would suck. Just don't know where the spider is exactly. Hope he's not above me. That's like a really bad place. I'll just hope he's in here. Any ores other than coal out here right now? Shit, I don't have any torches. Do you have any wood? Yes, I have wood. Perfect. Okay, there we go. 32 torches, that's enough. Okay, there's a spider. Now, I'm hoping... Oh, nice! Abandoned rail tracks. Nice, perfect. That's good. Okay, for a second I was gonna be like, oh shit, these must be cave spiders, but no, they're not. Okay, that's good. Get the string. Don't wanna lose my stringies. Oh. Oh, nice, a regular spider dungeon. I'm actually gonna leave this here and just kind of boost, I guess, would it be called? And just kind of get a ton of free kills here until, like, or I kind of do need to save my sword. Although I could just cook up some more iron. What's inside here? Oh, nice cocoa beans. Oh, iron. Okay, that's good. I really want this, here, I'll just put these here while I'm quickly, taking out the mossy cobble. Now, I wonder what I could use this mossy cobble for. You should be able to, smelt mossy, cobblestone into, mossy stone or something, and then make mossy, stone bricks. That'd be freaking awesome. My pick's gonna die out soon, but that's okay, because it was about a level 11 or 12 enchantment. I forget. I think it was 11. Yeah, it was 11, I'm pretty sure. And I almost have that back from all the cows and ducks I killed, and now spiders. Okay. Have all that now. I could just make a trap, but I want XP, so let's take out the torches. And I kind of do want this chest. Shit. Okay, leaving here now. I'll just wait right here. I want to get to like level 12 or something like that. Here, where's this? Take that out. And then maybe if I just move away a little bit, pull that out. Now if I just come back here, will they spawn? Is that 24? Oh crap. Shit. Here, well, well, I kind of want to, oh yeah, here we go. Okay, after these spiders, I think I'm gonna stop boosting for now. But this can be like my little spider killing boost area post thing. Okay, let's move back and see if we can get some more. I lied, I want to get a little bit more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No? No spiders, okay. Be like that. Come down here, now we'll get some, I bet. In the risky place where I could possibly, potentially get attacked by a spider into the lava. No? Okay. Whatever. Be like that, you freaking noobs. And fuck you, scary music. Okay, well, I can always go up here. I don't want to get lost though, so what I'll do is to know the way back, I will put torches on the floor, the way I'm going. Each path, I'll make a different method of doing it. Was that gold? I think that's gold, but I'll get that after. No torches to trick me? No? Okay. Wonder what that brightness is. Yeah, this is why I kept my sword, because I knew I'd find some things in here. And this is just more lava. I think that's more lava. Ooh, gold. See, I don't really know exactly what I'd be using gold for. Oh, I might need it for gold watermelon. Oh, yes, melons. Hopefully I can find some melons in here. That'd be great. That'd be freaking great. What was that? It would suck if I found a zombie spawn. It wouldn't really suck, but it would be kind of annoying. Or it would be pretty good, I guess, if there was like melon seeds. Okay, this is the way back. Okay, don't put that there because that's just a dead end, I think. What's up here? Okay, I'll explore this cave first. Intense caving. ton of gold. Oh, lapis. Now I'm just looking for some diamond. Diamond. Okay, this could potentially be a good place to explore. Although I do see spider webs, and I don't want to deal with what are they called? Why aren't you killing the cave spiders just yet? Shit, screw you. I guess I can just use this. Oh well, I'm getting a ton of XP now. Okay, well, I'll take that away, and I can explore that way later. Okay, I don't know what I want to do here. If I just want to pick up gold and then kind of, well, I don't really need gold, I guess, really. Take the redstone, that's pretty useful, usually. Okay, shit, where's my path? It's right here, okay. Okay, I can just go off this little route here. That's not a big deal. No diamonds, and oh, there's another cave way. Okay, I'll go this way. Because usually in these little lava areas, there's diamonds. Although, what level are we on? 12. This is diamond level. Shit. Hopefully we can find some. No, dead end. Okay. Grab some of this coal. Are you freaking kidding me? Come on, buddy. How are you that smart? No, you're not that smart. Get in the lava. Get in the lava. Okay, that's not bad. That's not that bad. It'd be awesome if you found diamonds for us. I'd be like, I love you. I wouldn't even do it. I'd just be like, I love you. Just so I know my way back, clear this out so I can see. This is potentially hazardous if a mob comes around anyway. Build a little railing just in case. Okay, go around here. There we go. See what's up here. Or through here then, I guess. Oh, I guess it's the same thing, isn't it? Oh, I guess it's not. That's pretty cool. I want to go the lower path first, because this one could have diamonds. There we go. And it took more. Wait, F3. Oh, extreme hills. Shit. F3. Okay. F3. Get this. Eat. Move. Okay, well, I think I'm going to go back. I'll save this cave exploring a little bit later, as I always say. Or I might just do this off screen, unless you guys want me to cave explore, which I don't really know. Blah, okay, good. That's good. I don't have to deal with that fag. Okay, for now, anyway. Grab that. Grab that. Grab that. Place that. Kill that. Oh, there's a ton of you guys. Shit. I don't even want to look at this horrible person. Okay, this is the way I'm going to explore for now. I will explore the rest, I think, off camera. Oh, mushrooms, that's not bad, right? That's a good find. Okay, you water are going to piss me off eventually. So bad. Wait, will this destroy obsidian faster? Or what does efficiency do? Just make it last longer? Oh, that's pretty quick. Shit. Holy crap, that's quick. Compared to usual, I think. I think that's quick anyway. Unless I'm stupid, but it seems quicker in my opinion. Holy crap, that scared me. Okay, I'm gonna grab those mushrooms. Make that a bit safer. Okay, there we go. Pick this up. And I might split this into maybe like 2 different episodes or 2 different parts or something. I'm not sure. I'm so surprised we haven't found diamonds yet. That's a shocker, actually. Oh, yes, diamonds. There better be more. Yeah, okay, good. If there wasn't any more, I'd have been pretty pissed, actually. Oh, wow, we can't pick up diamonds. Make sticks, I guess? I don't know. Okay, don't need gravel. Okay, that was 3 diamonds. That's not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, well, that was kind of annoying. I'll grab some lapis, souvenir. Oh yes, this is annoying. That was kind of a weird mouse glitch. Okay. I guess my pick would be pretty powerful against him. Yeah, 4 hits, that's not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, I came through this way. Now that I got diamonds, I'm gonna leave and I'll come back another time to take on this mine. Now, which way did I go? Shit. No, not this kind of thing. Okay, well, I know I took away the water for the one. Oh, here we go. Here, I'm gonna take this away for future reference because that's really annoying. I get lost really easy because of this. I need to open it up a bit. Okay, I went this way. There we go. Now they know. Now I know. More like it, but yay. I went that way, I'm gonna say. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly grab or explore this bit. This is where I found the diamonds. Okay. Crap. Shit. Piss that off. Okay, I'll grab some more gold. Gold's not bad. It's kind of awesome looking. Well, that means I can make golden apples, so. And some cool potions once I go into the nether and grab some stuff. Or more like, and I'm able to grab some stuff. Once I find a freaking fortress, or what are they called? Not stronghold. I think they're called like nether fortress or just fortress or something. I forgot. No. Oh, I don't know. Oh yes, mushroom. I have 2 kinds of mushrooms. Oh yeah. What do I ditch? What is that? Okay. Grab your experience, always helpful. Okay, get iron, get some coal, because I need some coal, and I haven't really been grabbing much. What's this? Ooh, gold. One of these open areas looks like they would have diamonds in it. Okay, that's where I found. Shit, go away. Die, die, die. Oh, you know what I just realized? The Olympics are on, like, in half an hour. That's pretty cool. When I upload this, you guys will be like, what? No, that was, like, a couple days ago when they first started. But yeah, they're just starting now. For me, technically, because, yeah, whatever, screw that. get some more gold. And I know that because my brothers keep shouting it and it's really annoying. Okay. How much gold is that? That's 30. That's a pretty good amount. And each one makes about 10 golden nuggets. Okay, I'm not going to explore any further. I'm going to get lost right now if I don't get back there in time. Okay, I think it was this way. I think. Oh god. No, I think, so that's not good. Oh, okay, I see an arrow. I see something lit up, so I think we're going the right way. But I will grab these. Don't use your pick. Don't use your pick on that. Bad idea. 8 minutes. Okay. Thank you for your help. Like, shit. No, I don't care. Well, actually, I do care, but... Okay, I gotta go. I'm being called for, so I'll be right back, guys. Oh yeah, I'm gonna finish exploring this cave and get out, so I'll be right back. Or I'll see you guys later. That's the end of this episode. Oh my god, guys, I'm hearing freaking slime. Where? I want you so bad. Are you up here? Where? Where? I want to find you. Where? Oh my god, where? Where are you? Getting further away when I go this way. It's like right under me. Is it? Oh, is it back here? Oh, oh. Oh, it's back here. Where are you? I want you. I want to eat you a bacon. Up here? Down here, down here. Where are you? I want your slime balls, sticky piston. Come on, buddy. Was it under the wood there? I don't know, but I need to find this. This is like the best find ever. Where's the slime? What the hell? Oh, that was my freaking hole I made myself. I thought I was gonna like fall in lava there. I was gonna be so pissed. Must be under here. Sounds like it's from over here. Slime. There's slime. This is gonna get. Oh, slime! Die! Die! Yes, die! 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 Yes, slime balls, die! 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 I love you, but die! 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 Yes! Yes! Die! Best mining trip ever! Holy crap! What do I ditch? No egg. I don't like you. Yes! Die! 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 Oh, slime balls! How many? How many? How many? Oh, that's a ton of XP too. Yes! Leg! 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 I don't even care. Oh, gotta get that counter off. That's annoying. Okay. Oh my god, slime balls, guys. We're rich. Freaking sticky pistons away. Oh, I have a full stack of that now? Come on. What do I ditch? Gravel. Oh, gravel. That was the best find ever. 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 Okay guys, well I'm just gonna add that little burp in, but later.